Si mom. Itaas nyo yung right hands nyo. Ganito. Raise your right hands just like this. Okay, and then, ganito. Hanapin na natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay at mga kaibigan. Baka ito na ulit pagkikita natin sa kanila. Okay, bye everyone. No, just kidding. Joke lang po yan. Joke lang yun mga ma'am sir ha. Just kidding. Okay, dalawang kamay. All hands. Tapos medyo dikit-dikit tayo ngayon. Dikit-dikit kasi lumikit yung last na animals natin. Now imagine what's on their hands. So up high! All the hand card. Kumigyan. Okay now guys, kids, now this one is the sixth biggest snake in the world. And it reach range from 13 to 33 feet long. And would weigh up to 500 up to 1,000 pounds. Now itong hawak nila ay isang albino Burmese python. Now being an albino, may kakulangan po sila ng melanin sa kanilang balat. Kaya sa nakikita niyo po, yan ang matingkat ng kulay na yan. Yung white na yan. Sir, mas maganda yung kuha mo ngayon. Kasi sa'yo naman yung ulo. Joke naman yung punto. Ma'am, hawakan niyo muna. Hawakan niyo muna. Ito kayo. One fascinating fact about pythons ay malaki daw po ang kanilang mga mata. Yun lang paano nila nakikita yung mga kinakain nila. Dito po, sir, sa kanyang nguso. Meron po silang maliliit na butas. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nagsisilbi po na parang infrared scanners. At ang kanyang dila, katulad ng ganyan, ay nagsisilbing palingin, pantinig sa kapal-lasa. Hawakan niyo muna mga ma'am sir. Hawakan niyo muna. Hawakan niyo muna. Okay. And now folks, the two of you met all of the animals in the park. So this is the right time to talk about them. Now the reasons why these animals are here, because they serve as ambassador for their own species and the environment that make up their homes. They are here so that you can appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the dangers they face in the natural habitat. So we got the George's presentation on behalf of myself, about the warnings them, and of course while we're reaching cover wonderful animal brands. Maraming salamat po, and yours day. Okay, God bless everyone.
Ano yung matay na?